Hi, I'm Shelley Young, owner of the Chopping Block, and today I'm going to teach you how to crack black peppercorns. This is not something that we do a lot or for a lot of different preparations, but it's something that we use for a classic French preparation called steak au poivre. But we poivre tuna or other types of proteins as well. The reason I go out of my way to crack a peppercorn versus just use a pepper mill is that I get more of consistent peppercorns that are just cracked in half versus some that are pulverized and some that are not. And why I care about that is the finer the peppercorn is ground, the hotter it is. So in applications where I use a lot of pepper, we use a more cracked pepper so it's not as strong and overwhelming. What I need is a lot of peppercorns, maybe not that many, but and a small saucepan, a small skillet. I'm going to take the peppercorns, I'm going to put them out on a cutting board, large cutting board, or on your counter, and I'm going to take this skillet or pan, I'm going to roll it over the top of the surface of the pepper, and it'll just crack it in half. I put some peppercorns out, make sure that they're flat, not stacked on top of each other. Don't do too many at once or they're going to go everywhere. And if you watch what I'm doing here, just taking that corner of the pan and rolling it over the surface of the peppercorns. It's a little like popcorn. When you hear it stop cracking, you know you've cracked them all. And that is how you crack black peppercorn.